Hello guys, welcome to my channel Lisa and Lena. Welcome to our magical world of unicorn. Today we are diving into a colorful collection of unicorn stationery and school supplies that will make your study time as ancient as the fairy tale. Whether you love Lisa or Lena, these supplies are perfect for adding a dash of sparkle to your school day. From notebooks and pens to folders and pencil cases, we have got it all. Stay tuned as we explore these wise, musical, unicorn-inspired items that will brighten up your desk and help you stay organized in style. Let's make school a title more magical. Lisa or Lena. Thanks for watching.